You should decide between fiction and non-fiction and then choose what exactly you want to write about. Typically, fiction sells better on Amazon than non-fiction. This is a very general statement. However, the non-type of fiction could end up earning more than a novel, but generally speaking, fiction is more lucrative. However, fiction may also take a lot longer to create, especially if you create quality full-length novels. Unless you already know something specific you should love to write about, a good way to determine what could be profitable on Amazon would be check the bestsellers list. Remember, the bestseller list for the Kindle may not always be the same as for those for print books. So be sure you are checking the Kindle bestseller list. Creating the publication. Once you have chosen your subject, it's time to create your publication. There are many different ways to do this, but the most common way is to simply creating a Word document in document format. You can upload this file to the KDP system and it will be automatically formatted for the Kindle format. Here is a great tutorial on building your book for Kindle. Create a cover. You shall need a cover image. Amazon has a specific rules for the size and other aspects of cover creation. At the moment, you can only submit cover images in the JPG or TIFF format. They recommended an aspect ratio of 1.6 and for best quality they recommended an image size of 1563 multiplied by 2500. You can find out the most current image guidelines here on KDP websites. Remember, people do judge a book but its cover. Despite so many recommendations to the contrary, it is critical to create an attractive cover that makes your book appear to the published professionally.